welcome back. So lake season is around the corner, and we have not stepped into the boat whatsoever to clean it. We did get in there to hook up the battery tenderizer, but I haven't seen it yet. Kevin says it's pretty bad. He just took the tarp cover off, so let's see how bad it is. We're gonna get it cleaned this weekend, and then we'll get you guys the after results, and we'll show you guys what products we're using and whatnot. But let's take a look at how bad this is. Let's go. Here's our prep station. Alright. Oh, okay, yeah, that's mold. It's little bros, so we're definitely gonna need for after this next season when we, put it away. Yeah, when we put it away next time, we're probably gonna need to find a better covering solution. The seats are pretty gray. I mean, it's not too bad. We just gotta get into the crevices a little bit. It's not too, the seat's a little spotty, not too bad, but we're gonna tackle this on this weekend. And real quick, we did hook up this Noco tenderizer for the boat. It actually just hooks onto the battery right here. So there's a little, just want to show you guys a little thing here. So it's charging both these batteries for us. So that's pretty convenient. It's just hooked on here, and it's you just plug it in, right?
Yeah, so it's pretty cool. It charges two separate batteries, because one's a starter battery and one is a house battery.
Yeah, so there's two batteries in this setup if you guys are not familiar with our setup right here.
And I didn't want to parallel hook both of these up and then put a tender on it, because they're two different types of batteries. So that's the reason why we went through with this Noco.
Yeah, and we've heard a lot of good things about the Noco tenderizers and jump starters, and in general these are pretty good brands. So I'll put the link into the description on what we got for that. But all right, like I said, let's tackle this on and start cleaning.
Can you put the pin in?
Oh yeah, because let's get this. We put the tower down, so now we're putting it back up. All right, tower's up. That one in. All right, so let's get to it. We just got, there's some black spots, dust, debris.
Probably take the mats out.
It's kind of a weird. Oh yeah, we got to get down under here.
So let's
and it just rained like a few days ago. We've been getting some weird weather out here. So let's get this tackled on. We're gonna get all the prep station ready, and yeah, so we'll get all the prep station ready, and it's just gonna be a cleaning day because lake season's around the corner, guys. So real quick, guys, our prep station's on this cart. Everything's, ready to go. Our pressure washer, the last one we had, the Stanley one, took a dump. So we did get a new one. Works. And of course, we still have our simple chuck set up. And today we're going to be using Simple Green. It's probably one of the best things to use for cleaning almost everything, and good for the boat. So, I mean, yeah, you guys have followed us. You guys have seen this cart before with all of our products and whatnot. It's building. We keep adding stuff to it because, we try to keep all our stuff clean. And, of course, mosquito spray, because that season's around the corner, too. So, we're just going to get everything hooked up, and we're going to get started on this. All right, so we're just taking out all the mats and seat cushions, just laying them on the trailer so that we can get a deep clean on these. I mean, they're not that bad. Kevin was telling me it was pretty bad, but he can be a little bit dramatic. I said you told me it was really bad, but you could be a little dramatic sometimes, but these are not too bad at all. I think it was just that back deck. But
When you come in here.
all right, I'm gonna come back up. But we're just removing all the cushions and the mats. Well, the floor is probably bad, but it's nothing simple green won't take off. It's still not bad. When you said black, I thought everything was black. So we just got to get good in the corners right there. And
I need to vacuum all the sand.
yeah, that sand. I kept trying to clean that between trips, but it wouldn't come out. So, all right, we're gonna pre-soak it now, just so that the simple green can start eating. Just gonna let it sit so the simple green can start eating away. That way it makes it a little bit easier to spray off. So we'll just do a little bit of pre-soak first with the simple green. Yeah, flip that off. You're gonna clean in there too?
Yeah.
Yep, so just trying to get everything pre-soaked with the simple green. Hey, watch out. The yard. And try not to get it over the neighbor's yard. Let it sit for a little bit. We'll tackle the cushions on the trailer. And we'll keep going and definitely try to get all this nasty stuff out right here. The boat is all soaked and we're just getting all the mats and some of the seat cushions that were removable. Those were the only ones that were removable, so just getting it soaked for a little bit. Get that out of the way. And we'll probably, I don't think there's too much going on, so it might be simple. We just gotta make sure it's dried properly before we cover it. And we'll get a new boat cover for sure, but this is a good start. We're making some progress. Just gonna give some of these mats a scrub with this rubber brush thingy. You can find it on Amazon. And then we can also use it for the boat too, the inside the floors. But I mean, I didn't want anything hard scratching it because these mats, I mean, if you followed along, there was a part that the cat scratched. What is it at the end over there? So these mats, if you put something harsh on it, it'll scratch and you'll notice it. So you can definitely tell. So at least with the rubber brush, it'll clean and you won't damage your mats, in my opinion at least. We'll keep doing that, and then we'll get everything dried up. Should probably rinse down the trailer, huh? Should we dry it on the trailer? Or we can put the ladder on its side and then leave it on the ladder. So at least the sun's out today, so that's good. Get everything all dried up. Alright, back to it. Alright guys, magic erasers for these little spots right here. These are, look at that. I couldn't get that off with the broom, but I can get it off with this. This is like the best thing ever. I don't know what they put in these little magic erasers, but this is always good to have, especially for the boat and little tough spots like that. So, I don't know if there's any There's a ton of little round brown spots, I'm guessing from like the dirt debris, but it's going there and it's magically erases it. There's a couple more. There you go. Get all those little brown spots. Right, that one. This one's a little tougher. Get a little bit more nails in there. Alright. Alright, we're almost done. Wasn't too bad today, so we're almost done with the inside. The mats are drying over there on the trailer, and yeah, we're just gonna keep pushing along. Alright guys, very quickly, just a little quick walkthrough. We got all that nasty black mold out of the off of this boat. On the back here, I think that was like probably one of the biggest spots, and of course the floors. Look at that, nice, bright and white. During the weekday, Kevin will probably go around here one more time and just hit it with some conditioner. But not too bad. Not too bad at all. It's starting to get hot up here, especially the higher you are, the hotter it gets. Just leaving these compartments open because we cleaned that as well. Getting these cushions back on. And that's it guys. Thanks for joining us for our lake prep. We're probably gonna purchase a few more things for the boat to get ready for lake season. There's a couple things we want to upgrade, and we'll definitely keep you guys in the loop, and we'll just keep at it. We'll see you guys next week.